Hi everybody, I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. I ordered a purse from this company in Australia called The Horse. I ordered it on September 19th, and it took almost 2 months to the day for me to actually receive it. But so I'm very excited. I ordered the Clementine and the brown leather. It comes with this beautiful dust bag. So we're going to open it up and see if it was worth the wait. Okay. All right. This is a beautiful, thick dust bag here. Okay. Lots of packing paper to protect it. Okay, we're going to just rip this off. Oh, it is absolutely beautiful, very minimal in design. It's got the feet on the bottom. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, it's got the little tag in it. It was $208, but there was a discount code when you went onto the website where you were able to get like 10% off. So I was able to save a little bit. So if you're interested in the bag, I can definitely say that I'm in love already. The leather is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to take out all this packing stuff here. Yes. It has a little handle here, so you guys are really getting the unboxing and the unpacking. So you're seeing me rip all the packing paper and stuff off. But it's got a short handle here, so if you want to carry it like a clutch, or if you want to carry it by this handle. It's got 2 magnets here that help with the closure of the bag. So it closes like this. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything falling out of the bag. It also comes with a crossbody strap. So I'm really excited about wearing it this winter. I ordered it to go with some brown boots that I have. I do have my Louis. I love my Louis. I will never stop loving my Louis. But sometimes you want to do something a little different. Support a brand that's been around for a while. And The Horse has really good reviews. Folks have been saying good things about all of their bags. So I was really excited to order this one. So please do check them out. And I'm going to go ahead and attach the crossbody strap to it so you guys can see what that's like as well. So I'm taking off. It's got the plastic on here to protect the hardware. This one came with the silver hardware. They're starting to make the bags now with gold. So if you're really interested, you know, you can go back onto the site and see if they have the bag in your colorway and a gold with the gold hardware. But this is in silver. Like I said, it is a crossbody. I know I'm sitting down right now and it seems like it will hit me right on the hip, but it's a perfect size if you want to go out, you're going to the mall, you're going shopping, you're just running errands. I'm looking at this now, and actually I'm taping on my phone, so I can't use my phone as a demo. But thanks to Mr. Comcast, here's my remote, and that fits in here easily with plenty of room to spare in terms of width as well as in depth. So this is a phenomenal bag. I can't wait to wear it, to use it, and what I will do is I'll do a 1-month review to let you guys know if it was truly worth the wait. But right now, I love it. Once again, this is a bag by a brand in Australia called The Horse. This is their Clementine brown bag. The leather is really soft and supple. And yeah, it does take a while for it to come. Like I said, I ordered mine on September 19th. And it took almost 2 months for me to get it because it is such a popular bag. But it is truly, as of now, it is worth the wait. And like I said, I'll give you guys a 1-month review and let you know what I really think about this bag.